everyone, my name is Katya and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this Christmas tree skirt. It is an easy pattern. All you need to know is how to work double crochets around. We are going to be using number 6 super bulky yarn with a 9mm crochet hook, so it will work up quickly and you can adjust the size. For this project you're going to need number 6 super bulky yarn with a 9mm crochet hook. You don't have to use this yarn, you can use any yarn of your choice, just adjust the hook size. We're going to start with the slip knot and a chain of 25. Keep chaining until you have a total of 25 chains and I'll meet you back. Once you're done chaining 25, go ahead and chain one more, so total we have 26 chains. For round 1, we're going to work 1 double crochet using the second chain from the hook. So don't count this one. Here's 1, 2, into this chain right here, work 1 double crochet. You could also work your double crochet using the back loops of the chain right over here. For round 1, we're just going to work 1 double crochet across. So you're going to pick up each chain and you're going to work 1 double crochet into each chain across. And at the end of round 1, you should have 25 double crochets. Continue working and I'll meet you at the end of round 1. At the end of round 1, we have a total of 25 double crochets. For round 2, which is our increase round, we're going to start by chaining 1 and turn your work. Back into this very first stitch right here, we're going to work 2 double crochets. Here's 1 double crochet. And go back into that same chain or same stitch and work 1 more double crochet. So right here we worked our first increase. Into the next stitch you're going to work 2 double crochets, and that's the pattern. It's just working 2 double crochets into each stitch across. Again, let's repeat. Find your next stitch and into that stitch work 2 double crochets. Again, into the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. You're going to continue on this pattern and I'll meet you at the end of this round. You should have 50 double crochets. I'm coming to the end of round 2 and right over here I have 1 more stitch left. Into this stitch I'm going to work 2 double crochets. And at the end of round 2, this is how it looks like. For round 3, we're going to start by chaining 1, turn your work, and for round 3, we just need to work 1 double crochet around. So right over here, pick up your first stitch and work 1 double crochet using that stitch, and now work 1 double crochet using each stitch across or around. Continue working on 1 double crochet into each stitch around, and I'll meet you at the end of round 3. At the end of round 3, this is how it looks like. Now round 4 is going to be another increase round. So for each odd round is just working 1 double crochet around, and then the even rounds we need to add an increase. So let's go ahead and do that. For round 4, we're going to start by chaining 1, turn your work, and into the first double crochet, first stitch, you're going to work 2 double crochets. And in between the increases, we have to work 1 double crochet. So right here we worked our first increase, which is 2 double crochet worked into 1 stitch. Into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Now into the following stitch, work 2 double crochets, which is your next increase. And into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. And that's the pattern. You're going to work 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And now into the following stitch, work 1 double crochet. Again, into the next stitch, work 2 double crochets, which is your increase. And now into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. You're going to continue on this pattern all around, and I'll meet you at the end of this round. We'll move on together. I'm coming to the end of round 4, and right over here I just worked my increase, which is 2 double crochets worked into the same stitch, and right here I have one more stitch left and I need to work 1 double crochet using that last stitch. And round 4 is finished, and this is how it looks like. Now round 5 is our odd round, and for round 5 we're just going to work 1 double crochet. So you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and work 1 double crochet using the first stitch, and now work 1 double crochet into each stitch around. Continue working on round 5, just working 1 double crochet around, and I'll meet you at the end. At the end of round 5, this is how it looks like. Now for even round, we have to increase. So round 6 is our increase round, and this time we need to add 1 more stitch between the increases. So instead of working 1 double crochet between the increases, we need to work 2 double crochets. In each time it's going to increase by 1 extra stitch between the 2 increases. So let's go ahead and start. We're going to chain 1, turn our work, and into the first stitch work 2 double crochets, which is your first increase. Here's 1, and go back into that same stitch and work your second double crochet, and into the next 2 stitches work 1 double crochet. So notice how we added 1 extra stitch. Let's repeat. We're going to work 2 double crochets into the next stitch, which is our increase. And into the next 2 stitches work 1 double crochet. Let's repeat this pattern. We're going to work 2 double crochets into the next stitch, which is the increase, and into the next 2 stitches work 1 double crochet. Continue around on this pattern, working 2 double crochets into the next stitch and then 1 double crochet into the following 2 stitches all around, and I'll meet you at the end of this round. At the end of round 6, we just worked 1 double crochet into the last stitches. And for round 7, which is our odd round, we're just going to chain 1 and work 1 double crochet into each stitch around. So remember, odd rounds are just 1 double crochet around, and even rounds are our increase rounds. Continue working on 1 double crochet around, and I'll meet you at the end of round 7. At the end of round 7, this is how it looks like. Round 8 is going to be our increase round, and we're going to start by chaining 1, turn your work, and into the first stitch work 2 double crochets, which is our increase. So work 2 double crochets into that same stitch. Now into the next 3 stitches, we're going to work 1 double crochet. Here's 1, 2, and 3. And now into the following stitch, we're going to repeat. We're going to start with an increase. So go ahead and work 2 double crochets using that same stitch. And into the next 3 stitches, work 1 double crochet. And that's the pattern. Now we have 3 stitches between our increase. And next time we'll have 4 stitches, and then we'll have 5 stitches between the increases. So right over here, we need to work an increase, which is 2 double crochets. And now work 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. You're going to continue on this pattern all around. And then for the following round, you're just going to work 1 double crochet around, and then again you're going to continue with your increase, and then next time you'll have 4 double crochets between your increases. And then that's pretty much the pattern for this tree skirt. So continue working on your rounds, and I'll meet you back once I have mine completed. I will have the pattern available in the description, so if you like, you can check it out. I worked a total of 19 rounds, and this is how it looks like. You don't have to stop here. You can continue and add more rounds. You can add single crochets here. You can add buttons to close it, or ribbon, or leave it like this. It's up to you. You could also work single crochet for the border here, but I'm going to stop here. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.